Here is a Nissan Altima. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a panel. Put a couple of fingers in there and pull it out. Now inside there is all the fuses, and underneath the cover is the fuse diagram that we're going to reference throughout the video. First thing, get that fuse puller tool at the bottom there. Get that tool out, because very likely the issue that you have bad fuse. Now look at the highlighted fuse in the diagram. First you're going to take out the FR power socket. That's the one that's in the front. That's the fuse puller right on it. Pull the fuse. Let's get the fuse out from the back side of the fuse puller and take a look at the center part of it. See, mine is a good fuse. How do I know that? Because my center part is not broken. If yours is broken, then that's a bad fuse. And if that's the case, then that's good news, because that's what the problem is, and we have a spare fuse with us. A 20 amp spare fuse. Let's go ahead, get that fuse puller and pull the 20 amp spare fuse. Check the center part of the spare fuse. Make sure that this is good. And just put it back in the original position. And this should very likely solve your problem. Same process for the second fuse, the one in the central console. That's the one right there beside the first one. Just pull that fuse, replace it with the 20 amp spare fuse, and it's the same thing. And once you are done, just put this panel back on, click it, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.